Hello, I'm Mark Steimer, president of Tru-Edge Grinding. I'm here today to talk to you about our ortho division. Back in the mid-90s, we were asked to grind some orthopedic tools. Our customers, who were traditional Tru-Edge customers where we were regrinding some of their cutting tools, liked our quality. As a result, they came and said, "Hey guys, since you can grind cutting tools so well, do you think you could help us out and grind some orthopedic instruments?" We took the challenge. And now, over 20 years later, we have our division called Tru-Edge Ortho. At Tru-Edge Ortho, we take something like this and make it into something like this. Other types of tools we've made are some small projection drills. We've also made some what we call wagon wheels. Just a few examples of the types of tools that customers send us and we do the precision grinding. One of the things we don't do is any blanking. We work with our customers to provide us with a quality blank that allows us to regrind the tools to high quality standards day in and day out. We've worked with customers to make these types of products the way we need them for our grinders, that we now are auto-loading sometimes 500, 300, 200 of these tools at a time in our auto-load machines with very high quality standards. One of the reasons that we're able to do that is our equipment allows us to laser monitor the sizes of these tools in our machine. Auto dress the wheels as the wheels become worn. Technology that not everyone has. In addition, in 2011, because of the growth we saw in the orthopedics market, we went through a process to get ISO certified. We are ISO 13485 certified. We were recently recertified just this past February. I guess my pitch or my reason for talking to you today is to let you know that we want to continue to grow our orthopedics business. It's a sector that has been growing for us, more recently faster than we expected. And as a result, we have invested in manufacturing techniques that allow us to continue to produce high quality tools with high throughput that results in a higher value to our end user. And here we are in our validated orthopedic grind cell. Jeff, what do you have there today?
A drill here.
A tip guide pin drill?
Yes.
Are you auto-loading these?
No, hand loading these.
Hand loading on these?
Yep.
Sounds great. How many of the jobs do you actually go through now that you are auto-loading in the machine? 50% of them, 60%?
Yeah, I would say pretty close to 50% of the job, but probably 70% of the number of tools.
Okay, so about 70% of our volumes are getting auto-loaded, the rest is hand load?
Yep.
I'll let you get back to the machine.
Right.
Thanks a lot.
Yep, no problem.
Thank you for visiting. We look forward to working with you.